Sa totoo lang, nakaka-flatter minsan yung mga tanong ninyo. Kasi alam mo yung parang, ay, talino ko ba? Para tanongin ako ng ganito, charot lang. Kasi, I got this question from Cobb. Sabi niya kung meron daw kaming Pipedrive CRM automation tutorials. And I'm like, ibang level. So, ladies and gentlemen, keep in mind that CRMs, most of them would have different interface, pero yung functionalities halos pare-pareho. If this is something that you are interested in learning, step number 1, learn marketing and sales. You have to be really good at it. Because if hindi kayo magaling sa sales and marketing, hindi kayo makakapag-map ng workflow na effective for your client's audience. Now, number 2, kapag kayo ay, alam yung may palo na when it comes to sales and marketing, then you have to start learning how to map and create flow chart. Kasi, ang kasunod na nun is gagawa kayo ng workflow automation. So, eto na, dito na pumapasok yung mga CRMs. Kasi, ang mga CRMs, most of them would have yung mga pre-built na templates. Tapos, babaguhin mo na lang. So, after nun, ang next mong pag-aaralan would be either you will build from scratch or you will utilize the templates, but you will be building workflow automation na. Ito ngayon yung tinatanong ni Jacob na CRM automation or sa Pipedrive more specifically. Ang nangyayari kasi doon, each automation have 3 parts. Sa akin ha. Again, inuulit ko lang. Hindi ako ganun kagalingan. Kung meron kayong mas magandang ambag, good for you. I am just explaining this as simple as possible, the way that I understand it, the way that I do it sa end ko. So, ang automation, meron niyang 3 parts. We have the trigger, we have the condition, and we have the action. So, yung trigger is yun yung kickstart ng automation. An example, kunwari, ang trigger na ginawa mo is if may mag-email sa support, yan, ganyan. Tapos, dun sa email na yun, meron ka nilagay na keyword, which is yun yung condition na nakalagay is need help, kunwari lang. Or word na nakinig ako, ganyan. This is based on my personal experience lang. Kunwari lang yun yung condition. What happens is, yung action, yung result na hinahanap mo would be mag-create ng ticket para ma-inform yung admins, ganyan. So, this is just an example of an automation na pwede ninyong gawin. For CRM automations, what I notice is that businesses, they usually use automations para mas, number 1, streamline yung process nila, para mas efficient. I guess that's pretty much it. If you guys